have these customer details in Google Sheet and I want to send WhatsApp messages to all these customers on WhatsApp with their personalized name without creating a group. That means I want to send the WhatsApp message individually to each and every customer with their personalized name like this. And now here, instead of sending this message manually to each and every customer, I'm going to send this WhatsApp message to all these customers in just one click. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up a WhatsApp broadcast using which I can send the automated WhatsApp message to all these customers in just one click at the same time. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to start with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. You need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So to learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. So here to begin with the process, let me tell you that I am going to send a WhatsApp template message to all my customers. And for the same, I have created a message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account already. If you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. For now, we are going to see the template that I have already created by accessing this template section. Here you can see the number of approved templates, pending, draft and rejected templates. So here I already have a template with the name promotional message. So this is the template that I have created and here you can see my template is approved. That means it is approved by Meta and I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. To learn how you can create this template, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so now here let's move forward to the broadcast setup. So here we have accessed the broadcast section and here you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. So to create a new one, we are going to click on the Add Broadcast button and it has directed us to our WhatsApp broadcast section. So firstly, you need to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign from the drop down and then here you need to give a name. So I'm going to give the name as new promotion message. Alright, so this is a random broadcast name. Then comes the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send the WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these customers whose data I have in Google Sheets. So now here in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these customers, I need to add them as a new contact in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, we are going to access the contact section available over here. Now here in this contact section, here on the left side, you can have a preview of existing list and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. Here if you want to add the single contact, you can add the details over here or to add in bulk, select this. Here it is asking me to upload a CSV file. But as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV format. Once you have a CSV formatted file, then you can upload the same over here. Click on this add contact button and your bulk contact contacts will be added inside Pabbly Chatflow. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. So let me select the same. Here you can select multiple lists as well. Then we have an option of refine audience, which is the optional method. So basically here you can exclude the contact list to whom you don't want to send the message, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have already selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having a 24 hours active conversation. Okay, then comes the message type. You can see two options. One is pre-approved template and the other one is regular message. So here I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to send the regular message, then select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and here if you are going to write a message, then you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, we are going to use a pre-approved template message. Let me select my template. So this is my message, and here I've used a variable in place of name because variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So as you know that I wanted to make my text personalized by adding my customer's name. So I've added a variable for the same, and now here to make this particular field permanently dynamic, we are going to access this contact custom fields from the settings. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. If you want, you can create the new contact custom fields as per your variable. For now, I've used the variable for the name. I'm going to copy the field name for the same, and then I'm going to add it over here. Click on this done button and you can see we have successfully selected our template. Then here it is asking me to test the broadcast. So here, before sending this message to my wider audience, I can test it by sending it on my own WhatsApp number first. So I'm going to add my own username over here, and here I'm going to add my number. Okay, then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast send. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see a new message has been received with my name over here. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now after testing the broadcast, we can schedule the same. If you want to send instant WhatsApp messages to all your leads or customers, select no, or to schedule it for the later, select yes. Now here you need to select a date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you're selecting the past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on the add broadcast button and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have the data of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message to your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Okay, so these were the very simple steps of reaching hundreds of customers on WhatsApp without any manual effort. I hope these tips were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.